Hello, this is Mrs. Ridgway, and so I accidentally stopped the video. So I'm picking up, I'm in session 2 of PowerPoint chapter 1. I'm on page 62, and I was on number 2 on page 62 if you would like to follow along. This is in PowerPoint chapter 1. Okay, so I was in the presenter. Okay, below the current slide, click the See All Slides. Okay, so that's this right here. The screen changes to show your thumbnails of all the slides in the presentation, and this is similar to the slide sorter view. Step 3, click slide 4. Presenter view reappears, displaying slide 4 as the current slide. Click anywhere on slide 4. The slideshow advances to display slide 5. At the bottom of the screen, click the Advance to the next animation or slide button. Slide 6 appears. Click the More Slide Show options and then hide presenter view. Press the space bar and then press the space bar again. Presenter view closes and you return to the normal view. On page 63, printing a presentation. Before you deliver your presentation, you might want to print it. PowerPoint provides several printing options. For example, you can print the slides in color or grayscale, which is white and shades of gray, or just pure black and white. And you can print one, some, or all of the slides in several formats. Page 63, we're going to add your name to the slide, title slide, and choose a printer and color options. Display slide 1. Click after Scorsone in the subtitle and then press enter and then type your name. Oh, okay. Number 2, click the File tab to display the Backstage view, and then click Print. In the navigation pane, Backstage view changes to display the print screen. The print screen contains options for printing your presentation and a preview of the first slide as it will print with the current options. Step 3, if you are connected to a network or to more than one printer, make sure that the printer listed in the printer box is the one you want to use. If not, click the printer button and then click the correct printer in your list. And so here's the list of all my printers. Click the printer properties. Printer properties right here, printer properties. Link to open the properties dialog box for your printer. Usually the default options are correct, but you can change any printer settings such as the print quality or the paper source in this dialog box. You'll notice that there are tabs at the top: Advanced, Paper/Quality, Effects, Finishing, and Services. Step 5 on page 64, click Cancel. This closes the Properties dialog box. Now you can choose whether to print the presentation in color, black and white, or grayscale. If you plan to print in black and white or grayscale, you should change this setting so that you can see what your slides will look like without color and to make sure they are legible. All right, so I'm going to click and choose the color laser jet so you can see that it's color. Then I'm going to click the color button and choose gray scale to preview the changes to the gray scale. I'm going to click again so you can see the pure black and white. Gray scale. At the bottom of the preview pane, click the next page. Now we're displaying slide 3. The slides are legible in gray scale. If you will be printing in color, then you would click the grayscale button and then choose color. Several choices for printing the presentation are: you can choose to print the full page slides or notes pages, outline, or handouts. To print the slides as a handout, in the settings section, that's this section right here, in the settings section, click the full page slides. A menu opens listing the various ways that you can print the slides. In the handouts section, well, first of all, we're doing full slides. I want you to look at each one. There's one. 2 slides to a page. 3 slides with notes. 4 on a page. 6 horizontally on a page. 9 slides horizontally. 4 slides vertically. 6 slides vertically. And what I mean by vertically is starts here, 1, 2, 3, and then goes over to the right side of the page, 4, 5, and 6. Whereas horizontally, you would move from left to right, 1, 2, and then go back to the left, 3, and 4, and so forth. Okay, in the handouts section, click 6 slides horizontal, which I have. The preview changes to show all 6 slides in the preview pane arranged in order horizontally in 3 rows from left to right. The current date appears in the top right corner, and the page number appears in the bottom right corner. Step 3, at the top of the print section, it says to click print, but we're not going to print. Backstage view closes and your handout would print, but we're not going to do step 3. Next, Anthony wants you to print the title slides as a full page slide so that he can use it as a cover page for his handouts. To print the title slide as a full page slide, click the File tab and then click Print. Come back here. In the navigation pane, the print screen appears in your Backstage view. And then in the Settings section, click 6 slides horizontal, which I have here, and then click Full Page Slides. Slide 1, okay, let's see here, slides, full page slides. Slide 1, the title slide, appears as the preview, which it did not here. Oh, I'm still on 3 down here, so let me go back to slide 1. Okay. Okay, 6 slides horizontal, and then we're going to click full page slides. Slide 1 appears as the preview. Below the preview of the slide 1, it indicates that you are viewing slide 1 of the 6 slides, and that's down below in the viewing area. In the settings section, click the print all slides. Note on the menu that opens that you can print all slides or selected slides, the current slide, or a custom range. Let's say you want to print just the title slide as your full page slide. So with this one selected and previewed on the screen, choose to print the current slide. And then you would click the print and it would print just slide 1. Down at the bottom of page 65, to print the non-sequential slides containing speaker notes, you would open the print screen backstage view again, and then you would click full page slides button. That's what I have here, full slide page button. The menu opens. In the print layout section of the menu, you would click the note pages. The menu closes and the preview displays slide 1 as a note page. Step 3, in the settings section, click in the slides box. Settings section, it's this. Click in the slides box. Oh, right here, slides box. And then type 3, 5. And then click a blank area of the print screen. Only 2 of the slides will print. Slides 3 and slide 5. Notice at the bottom it's showing 1 of 2. These have your notes. Step 4, scroll through the preview to confirm that slide 3 and 5 will print. And we're not going to print these. Instead, we're going to go back. Page 66, to print slides 1 through 5 as an outline, you would open the print screen backstage view. So click on File, and this is your backstage view. Click the print. And then Notes Pages button. Click the Notes Pages button. And then in the print layout section, click the outline. The text on slides 3 and 6 appear as an outline. Click in the slides box. Type 1 through 5. Click a blank area of the print screen. And these are your outline notes for slides 1 through 5. At the top of the print section, you would then click print to print your notes, but we're not going to do that for this assignment. Page 67, when you are finished working with your presentation, you can close PowerPoint. If you only have one presentation open, then simply click the close button in the upper right corner of the program window. Okay, so we're going to go to back, and I want you to save just to make sure you save. This concludes section to a PowerPoint Chapter 1.